Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Ivan and this is my car channel. We do everything from car events to reviews of car products or work on my car Slate, which is, thank you truck, which is a 2006 Mercedes Benz E350 4MATIC. Now for a while I have had a problem, so I will share the story with you real quick. Let's get in. Okay, if you take a look at the dash, once I start the car, there is a brake service visit brake workshop. I've had this problem since 2016. Mercedes Benz diagnosed it and said that it's an SBC pump fault, and that part was, let's turn the windows up so you can hear me better. That part was replaceable under recall with 10-year warranty, and that was in the beginning of 2016. Given that this car is 2006, I thought we'd be able to replace it, but the dealership let me know that the car was actually made in 2005, so it couldn't be done, and a refurbished SBC pump costed about 900 bucks, so I couldn't afford it. So I've been driving 2 years with that light, and it's been almost automatic for me to press the up arrow so I can clear the message. But last night, for my surprise, I got a very curious letter from Mercedes Benz. There it is, and it says that they extend the warranty of the SBC pump and its components for 25 years. So now I'm gonna go to Silver Star, which is authorized dealer right here in Manhattan, in Queens, New York, and see if I can replace Slate's SBC pump for free. All right, just got out of the dealership and then I drove to Manhattan because I gotta go to work. But good news, SBC pump is going to be replaced on the 15th. So not only that, I started smelling gas in the car when I top it off all the way, you know, when I fill the tank all the way to the top. And I think that problem is also part of a different recall. So the guy's like, I'm gonna order both parts anyway. Awesome. Now Slate is gonna be fixed for free, but in about 2 weeks I made an appointment and I'm gonna bring it back. This video is now going to be fast forwarded 15 days right now. Bam, and just like that, it's already the 15th of October. Hair is short, hoodie on because the weather's shitty. We are dropping in the service center Slate of Superstar Mercedes. So I'm waiting for my loaner, and see you in a second. Alright guys, I just dropped Slate in the dealership. This beautiful GLC 300 is our car. For now, it's the loaner car that Mercedes-Benz Silverstar, shout out to Silverstar Mercedes-Benz, gave us. I'm gonna give you a little more in-depth walk around the car in the next video. But for now, I gotta rush off for work, so I gotta cut this video short. I hope you enjoyed today's video, even though it continued for about 15 days on my side. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. In the next video, the GLC 300 walk around and review.